Hi there, today we are strengthening your arm muscles by using dumbbells. This is very light, it's only 2 pounds. You can use a heavier weight if you like 3 pounds. Or if you don't have any dumbbells, just look at your household objects, maybe canned goods or bottled water. Let's begin. Elbows on your side, and then curl it upwards and down. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 13, 14, 16, 18, 19, 20, 10 more, 21, 22, 24, 26. Remember, move at your own pace. Listen to your body. Still on the same position. Let's move it sideways. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Don't forget to breathe. Another one. Extend your arms sideways, palms facing forward. Reach your arms up as long as you can reach it. Then bend it like a cactus position. Then arms upward again. 6, 8, 7, 8. Let's repeat it again. I'm sure your arms are burning, but let's keep going. 2, 4, 8, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Whew. Now let's do the shoulder roll. 1, 2. One more. 2. Open your elbows up and down. 2. 90-degree angle and down. 6, 7, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now hold in this position and then raise your arms up, down. 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. Let's release it for a while. Shoulder roll, and then the other side. And I'm sure your arms are burning. So let's repeat it again. 2, 6, 8, 7, 5, 4. Thank you so much for joining us today at EverWell Chair Yoga. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe, like, and share. Namaste.